Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone microphone not working during screen recording. So in this video I will show you how you can fix. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset and reset all setting and apply it on your iPhone. Okay, if that method not working, then go back and again open your iPhone settings app. Okay, now you need to scroll down below. Okay, tap on privacy and security. After that you need to scroll down below and find here your microphone. Okay, tap on that. Okay, make sure you allow all the apps from this setting. Okay, if that method is also not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, after that it will 100% working. Okay, if that method is also not working and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the last one. The last one is open your control panel and press and hold the recording button and make sure your iPhone microphone turn on from this setting. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.